Have you ever spoken your mind in front of scary people without fear? A confident attitude always brings good results, even in love. Here is Bay's story. This continues from episode 1. Bay heard bad news. Liam's friends had caught Lisa, so Bay ran to the soccer club room. Inside, many big guys were laughing. From far away, she saw Lisa. Liam was there too. Liam's friend said, "You made our buddy look silly. Now we'll make your friend look silly." They laughed louder. This girl was rejected by Liam. Of course she was. Who would like her? Bay felt angry. She tried to take Lisa out, but the guys blocked her. They mocked again. A girl rejected by a boy, asking her friend for revenge, and a fool like you helping her. So sad, they kept laughing. Thanks to us, you even went on a diet. You only ate half your Burger King meal, Bay snapped. She threw $12 bills at them. Here! The money for the Whoppers you ate. You poop machines! The guys got mad. One tried to hit Bay, but Bay kicked his shin hard. She held Lisa's hand and walked out. But outside, Liam was waiting. Liam asked angrily, "What did you do to my friends?" Bay answered, calm but strong. "I taught them manners." In a rough way, Liam smirked at Lisa. "Unlike you, your friend is bold." The three went separate ways. Later, Lisa told Bay, "Sorry, I dragged you into this." Bay smiled. "It's fine. I hate bullies too." But inside, she felt a little uneasy. Maybe she was too harsh. Then something shocking happened. A few days later, at Bay's sandwich shop, Liam showed up. He ordered egg mayo. No vegetables, because I'm not a poop machine. Bay gave him the sandwich. But Liam didn't leave. He looked right at her. "I have something to say, you bold girl." Isn't it strange? Why did Liam come back? What does he really want from Bay? We only share true stories. Subscribe for more surprising ones in English. Bay's hidden story isn't over yet.